Hello everyone, so let's have a brief demonstration and quick overview of our press brake with CNC controller from Blma model number DA53T. So as you see here, we have very nice fast clamps and dies and molds over here, and we also have the DSP laser system for operating safely and for safety of the operator. Here we also have the compensation working table, and also we have the Fager grating ruler from Spain, and we have a proportional valve on the top of the cylinders, just like this one on top, from Germany. And we have our electronics here, and main electronics is from Schneider, Germany also. And we also have the Easton servo drivers. And we can move on to the back part, and we can see that we adopted a servo motor as a main motor. So it reduces the consumption of electricity up to 40%. So it saves a lot of energy and it reduces a noise. With a noise control function, we also have the back gauge with manual operating fingers that we can move manually. We have 3 fingers over here. We also have the linear guides over here. So this press brake has 4+1 axis, 1 X and R axes and 2 Y axes on left and right.